This is my Ozark Quadrunner 250. We have these stock tires on it, and we are going to take these pull-offs off a Rhino 700 and put them on the back. But first, we're going to take it through a little bit of mud and see how it does. Okay, we just got done going through the mud, so now we are going to go ahead and put these tires on it. Okay, we finished putting those tires on there. Now it is time to go take this through some of that mud. So as you can tell, the bigger tires really help the four-wheeler get through a lot of the mud. So thanks for watching our video.